So this is the finish after about 10 months of use. You know, you can still see the lines in it. It's I think my cerakote wipes kind of faded off. I do have another one that I'll probably put on it, but you can see the black's still nice and shiny. It's a bit dusty. I've been obviously using it, but it's still got a nice shine to it. You know, it's not faded. I don't park it in the sun, so it's not too bad. Like the back, you could still see, I'm kind of in the shade, but you can still see the shine off it. It's definitely a lot better than it used to be. Bed liner's still holding up good. I just haul a load of rocks with it, you know, with a few scratches in it. Doing more rocks here in a minute. Still shiny. I got some scratches. Yeah, you can see I was in the bush with it, but it's still shiny. It's not faded again. Same with that, it's still kind of shiny, as you can see from this angle. So overall, it's the torch job's still holding up. It's just maybe the shine's kind of dulling down a bit. Might need another cerakote wipe on her, but it's not faded. You know, all those lines were still there when I did. I just didn't have a wide enough flame. But everything's still holding up good. Rims are doing good. Got spacers on it. Everything's holding up. I tow with it. I got a little receiver hitch there. I tow with it. Drive it all around. Got about 500 kilometers on it now since I bought it. Everything works pretty good. Mirrors are good. Seats are still holding up perfect, as you can see. Heater is still in it. Power steering works really good. Heater works good too. I don't use it much in the summer, obviously, but I did have it on the other night when it was chilly, and it's definitely nice. But overall, for 10 months and using it in the bush, driving on dirt roads, I just wash it with a microfiber. It's still quite shiny. Because I had people ask me how it holds up over time. And like the black's still good. As you could tell where I never did around the cap, you can see what it used to be. It's dusty now, obviously. There you go, all right. So it's still good. I'm happy with it still. I still like it. I think it worked out really good. It was better than the old faded crap that was on it before. All you're doing is burning the oxidation off it. So doing some cleanup with the rocks here. I need them somewhere else, so a little load of rocks here. Should squat down a bit, but I do use it. And this texture I painted on, it's holding up really good, as you can see. I'm just gonna dump this when I get down, so it's all gonna slide out. Here it is parked in the sun. So other than the lines that you can see, which you already know about, it's still shiny. So torching was still a good idea. It's not faded. I like the shiny look. I don't like the faded finish of it. Shiny back there too. I think it's perfect for out here, bombing down dirt roads, going through the brush. Like I said, I did drive it, so it's got some, you know, scratches on it and shit. And let's be real, it's not perfect. You get up close, there's a lot of weird marks on it and stuff. But I had no leaks from anything. All the stuff I put in for the radiator and the heater and everything, that still works good. No leaks there. You know, my little bracket for the brakes that I modified still works. So I can mount my switch in there, right there. Because the electric power steering shaft occupied the space that it was supposed to go right there. So that's still working out good. It's all there. Electric power steering is awesome. Definitely a must. That's probably why it comes standard on most rigs now, because it's very nice. That's still good. This is good. Heater system's good, still works. No leaks there. Lights work good. Same on this side. No leaks, still works good. Everything's perfect. Brakes are, well, I can't really see them through here, but brakes are good. No squeaks. Because I did the pads, as someone said in a video. I called them shoes by mistake. Did the pads. Pads are good. You know, nothing wrong in there. Everything still works. I'd say this side's probably worse. I must have went through a lot of brush, but it's still shiny. And I'm going to put another one of those cerakote wipes over it, so I'm hoping that's going to, you know, fix it somewhat. But yeah, still going good. I'm going to take my load of rocks down now and finish doing what I'm doing. Okay, as I was saying before with the paint faded, this is 10 months of use. I just did give it a wipe down, a wet rag already. Give you a little glimpse of it here. So I mostly park inside, but for the most part you can see the lines. So I got these. This is what I used on it the first time. Cerakote Trim Coat Restoration. So I'm just going to wipe it over the paint again and see how it comes out. Like, it's still got a bit of shine. Like, you could see the original where I torched it and around the gas cap there. It's still a little dull because I never did it after, which I knew I probably wasn't. So I'm going to wipe some of this shit on and we'll see if it gets any better. Two left. So we're gonna see if we can do the whole thing with just one of these. So I'll leave you guys here and I'll get wiping. Take you guys out of this stand here. So it's still, you still see the lines in it, but these wipes definitely made it shinier. I'll probably do that bumper here in a minute with what's left. You can see how much shinier that is. That tailgate doesn't really work. It's that weird plastic. It looks pretty good. Same with there. Did the dash. Like this console thing. It won't work on these doors either. It doesn't really do much. So I just did the plastic there, the body. It definitely looks a lot better. It's back to pretty much how it used to look. So I'll just keep putting some of these wipes on every year. If it gets too bad, well, I'll just torch it again and keep putting them on. I bought those on Amazon. You can probably get them anywhere. So here's the finished product. Clean the wheels. Clean the bumper. Did the hood with the Cerakote. I think it looks pretty decent. Obviously, it's not perfect. It's almost back to the way it used to look, you know. Could have done the wheels, but I didn't. Probably would have kept them clean. Interior looks good. Probably put a little vinyl protection on the seats. All these patches held up really well all summer long. Over there. Nothing came off, so that's good. Pretty much ready for an oil change. Put 500 kilometers on it this season. It's nice and shiny. See where I didn't torch. Still got the old roof on backwards, like the hat on backwards look, because it seals against the windshield better along up there. So I left it like it. And I put foam up there so it seals. I don't get any wind intrusion, only through the open part that I left open. And I did the same thing on the bottom. I put this kind of expanding sticky foam, put it along the bottom of the windshield so it seals better. Right there. I think it looks good. So that's the 10-month update. Still going strong. Got it all clean. Gonna use it today, so it's gonna get all dusty again. Thanks for watching.